So we have Mr. Owens, headmaster of Edwalton. We've got Francesca and we've got Jessica. And we did a competition with the local school to come up with a new name for the boat. And these two lucky ladies are the winners. So, round of applause, please.
Bless them.
So if we get Francesca got a big speech. No, I'm already
Yeah.
We're going to come on front. The name of the boat is where?
We don't have the name of the boat.
So the name of the boat is Spitfire. So we had about 50 different names, and this was the winning choice from all of the crew. So congratulations to the girls. In time, yeah, good timing. So I'll give you a count. 3, 2, 1, 5. 3 times. Okay.
It doesn't have much success in its journeys.
There's a round of applause.
Okay, now you've got to go backwards and forwards to bow back to us 3 times. 3 times.
So remember at the start, we bowed to the dragon and we bowed to the water. The dragon's now going to bow to us.
Go.
Take all the rowers out at the same time.
Stop paddling and then stop the boat.
Rachel,
Paddling.
you can drum whenever you want, alright?
Stop the boat. Back paddling. Attention. Go. Stop paddling. Forward paddling. Attention. Go. Stop paddling. Stop the boat. Back paddling. Go.
Thanks,
Stop
Rachel.
paddling. Stop the boat. Forward paddling. Attention. Go. Stop paddling and stop the boat.
Thank you very much.
Go for a circuit now, mate.
VIPs on it?
So we're going to. So now what we need to do is, the dragon's now got its eyes, it's got its power, it's got its taste. What we're going to do now is, it needs to get a bit of coordination, so we're going to show him the water, show her the water. So we're just going to take some of the VIPs for a little paddle around, and then we'll start the session after that. Okay?